Guys, I don't know what my dogs are doing back there. I'm going to see the beast as my dad. Let's go. So the beast is drinking a beer right now.
And scratching his armpit. That's what he's doing.
As you see, this beast is an ugly creature with a big bald spot. Now we're going to try to get close to see his bald spot.
Let's go.
Is in this area right here.
It's not a bald spot, but that's a solar panel for a party
It's a
machine.
bald spot. Don't listen to him. Going to the crystal cave right now. Okay, let's go. It's the moon. Hello.
That'd be a great picture.
There was a time when I was alone.
Over here. We're looking for crystals. Look, the blue crystal. The blue crystal.
Yeah. Just like my nail. And my nail. Hey, Russell. Like to stop. Did you catch that?
I'm an airplane.
Did you catch
Yeah,
that?
I caught that. You were like, ah!
Ready, I'm gonna do it again. Ready, watch this.
Don't get in the video.
My new friend. His name is Billy Joe. Hello from the other side in the ocean. Swimming in the ocean. Swimming, just swimming, just swimming. Dory. Swimming, Dory.
What are you doing? Trying to kiss me?
I think it has 2 or 3 or 4 rounds.
What?
Put your back away, Ben.